Special request for Creole butter chicken wings tonight. Special coating. We're gonna get a little crunch on these. These are all my ingredients I put in. My Creole spice in the butter for extra buttery, spicy chicken wings. There you go, Uncle Drew's Creole butter chicken wings. They're gonna be too hot, but I'm gonna do this for the people. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Look, here we go. Oh yeah. Boom! You gotta try one of these. Come on in, you gotta try one. Go for it. Wow, wow. They're worthy of a triple boom here. Oh,